nothing exciting to do on these summer days, I decided to build an RC plane from the scratch. So I started with a simple design on the paper, then I cut out the wing and the fuselage with a wooden stick frame. Now I try to give the more finished look by adding the canopy using thin plastic sheet. It took a bit of work to shape and fit it properly, but at the end it looks great and gave the plane a more polished look. Next I worked on the landing gear using an old umbrella rod. After the process of bending, I checked the angle carefully to keep the gear balanced and stable. Next I made the wheel from the piece of yoga mat foam. Then for the wheel hub I use a paint refill tube before gluing it in place. I scratches the outer surface of the refill slightly. This creates the rough surface, allowing the super glue to grip much better and form a stronger bond with the foam, making it more durable over time. Then I spun it while carefully sanding the edges, turned into a perfect circle and gave the wheel a much cleaner finish. Okay, obviously,